How does quantum simulation accelerate drug discovery with molecules? Imagine being able to see inside molecules at the quantum level, understanding how they behave and interact with incredible precision. That's what quantum simulation makes possible. It's like having a super powerful microscope that can reveal details classical computers just can't handle. In drug discovery, scientists need to understand how potential medicines bind to proteins or other biological targets. These interactions depend on the exact three-dimensional shape and electronic structure of molecules. Classical computers struggle here because simulating these quantum properties involves complex calculations that grow exponentially with molecule size. Quantum computers, however, can directly model the quantum states of molecules, capturing electron interactions and formations more accurately. This means researchers can predict how a drug will behave much faster. For example, they can calculate the electronic structure of molecules with high precision, helping identify which compounds are most likely to bind effectively to a target. They can also simulate how drugs fit into protein pockets, including the effects of water molecules and how proteins change shape. This is especially useful for complex biological systems like RNA folding or large protein complexes that classical methods find too slow or impossible to model accurately. Combining classical methods with quantum simulations creates a hybrid approach that speeds up the process even more. You might generate initial data classically and then refine it with quantum calculations for better accuracy. Quantum-enhanced machine learning also plays a role by helping predict promising drug molecules more quickly. All of this reduces the time and money spent on laboratory testing, speeding up the entire drug development process. Already, researchers are using quantum simulations to model covalent bonds in prodrugs, predict RNA structures relevant to drug targeting, and screen huge databases of molecules against difficult targets like the Cras protein, which is involved in many cancers. In short, quantum simulation is transforming drug discovery by overcoming the limits of classical computers. It allows scientists to understand molecular interactions better, identify effective drug candidates faster, and develop new therapies more efficiently. As quantum technology advances, its role in pharmaceutical research will only grow, changing how new medicines are designed and brought to market.